When we started this series, the goal wasn't just to build another AI app. The goal was to understand what does it actually take to build a production ready AI system. And today we have that answer. Let's just take a step back and look at what we have built together. We didn't just build a chatbot. We built a full AI platform, a system where your front end talks to API gateway, your API gateway connects to Kubernetes. Kubernetes runs a scalable fast API rack service. Documents are stored in S3. Embeddings are handled via Pinecone. And responses are generated using OpenAI. And on top of that, we added observability using Prometheus and Grafana. We added GitOps using Argo CD. We deployed everything on AWS EKS. So this is not a project anymore. This is a platform. If there is one thing I want you to take away from this series, it's this. Building AI is easy. Building AI systems is hard. And the difference is everything around the model: infrastructure, scalability, deployment, monitoring, security, cost. So that's what separates a demo from a real world system. If you have followed along and built this with me, you have already crossed a huge milestone. You now understand how AI fits into real architectures, how Kubernetes runs production workloads, how observability works in distributed systems, how GitOps changes the way we deploy. So, this is exactly the kind of thinking companies look for in senior engineers. Not just coding, but system thinking. But of course, this is just the beginning. If you want to take this system even further, here are some powerful next steps. First, cleaning up resources. Right now, we created everything step by step. But in real systems, you need proper tear down strategies to avoid unnecessary costs. Second, moving fully to Helm. We used kubectl for simplicity, but Helm allows versioned, reusable production grade deployments. Third, infrastructure as code with Terraform. Instead of manually creating resources, you define your entire AWS infrastructure, EKS, S3, IAM, in code using either Terraform or CloudFormation templates. Fourth, authentication and encryption. Things like JWT authentication, API gateway authorizers, IAM roles, S3 encryption, secrets management. So this is where your system becomes enterprise ready. And finally, the most exciting one, building this entire system using agentic AI. Imagine describing your architecture from writing code to designing systems to building platforms. So that's the journey, and you're already on it. If this series helped you understand how real systems are built, then let me know in the comments. Do you agree with this approach? What would you improve? And what should I build next? Because this is just the beginning of what we can build together.